we witnessed the launch of the 3D concrete printing machine at the Doornfontein campus of the University of Johannesburg. And if you ask me how I feel, I'm excited about this because this is the future. Of course, there are people who are worried about what is the impact of this, you know. Obviously, there are pros and cons, but I would say we should not only focus on cons, we must focus on pros and see how we can manage the cons. On the pro side, we know the challenges we are facing in South Africa of shortage of housing. We cannot keep up, you know, no matter how many houses we build, but we cannot keep up. But with machines like this that can print a house in a day, it's something to be celebrated. There are challenges, you know, for people who are in the construction industry, you are bricklayers and so on, they will feel left out. But if you look at this project, it builds walls. The printer prints walls. There will be a need for people to do plumbing. There'll be a need for people to service these machines and do other things. I'm really excited about this project, and I've been having some discussions on the sideline with the Dean, Professor Mashao, and the professor responsible for the project, you know, asking how can we build from here, where to from here. Obviously there's one machine, we need more of this type of machines. They're expensive, but if we think outside of the box, I think as a university we can make a huge difference in this area. So I'm really excited, and the future, you know, is right there in front of us. As the University of the Fourth Industrial Revolution, we are innovators, not imitators, and this has shown today, you know, with the launch.